Hello everyone. In this video, we would like to go for understanding of another important JavaFX control for accepting input, that is text field. Text field component allows user to accept a single line of unformatted text. Suppose if you'd like to go for entering any input in the JavaFX application, a single line of input that is accepted through text field component, how it is shown in this diagram. Text field control, which is defined in JavaFX.scene.control package. The parent class for text field is text input control. The parent class for text input control is control. So likewise, the supermost parent class for all graphical user interface controls hierarchy in JavaFX programming is node, and parent for node is object class. Let us take the discussion of two important constructors of text field. First, text field which is created without having any argument. So that means when text field is created on the JavaFX scene, no input message is displayed. Text field of string name. So that means the text field is created with respect to default text. Let us take the method from the text field class. The first method, set prompt text method, is used to set the default text for the text field, and the second method, set preferred column count method, specifies the default columns default number of columns are taken for text field. And suppose if you'd like to go for defining action events or event handling for the text field, we will call the set an action method for text field event handling. As the argument, we define the event handling mechanism. So which event is handled on the respective text field? In order to retrieve that, we will call the get an action method. The get an action method returns the particular event handler object. So this is the way these four methods are referred as important methods of the text field. So in our program, in our hands-on demo program, we'll call the set prompt text method, set prefer column count method, and set an action method. The set an action method for handling events with the text field. Let us take the hands-on demonstration of text field by understanding the demo problem statement. We go for developing a JavaFX text field application which accepting user input from text field with a valid prompt message, and we take a display message for complete application heading, and will provide a search button in order to handle the event when input is entered in the text field, and when search button is clicked, automatically the corresponding message in the text field that is displayed in the next label created. Next, we will handle the event through text field directly as well as with the button event. When from the text field, after entering data, when we are pressing enter key, the text field event is generated, and when the button is pressed after entering data into the text field, the event is generated and corresponding message from the text field that is displayed on the label. So in order to arrange all components on the text field, here we consider the VBox layout for aligning all components on the JavaFX scene. Let us take the hands-on practice of the program. Open a new file, TextField fxdemo.java, TextField fxdemo.java. Save the file as TextField fxdemo and save the file as Java source file. Then import all packages, import javafx.application, import javafx.style, stage import JavaFX.scene import JavaFX.scene.layout for arranging components. Next, go for importing JavaFX.event for event handling of text field and button. Next, for importing text field and all other related controls, import the JavaFX.scene.control package, which imports all required controls from JavaFX.scene.control package. So next, import JavaFX.geometry for arranging VBox on the center of the scene. Let us define a public class text field demo, overcome errors, we paste directly, extends application. So let us define two labels, L comma result label. Let us define two text fields, one text field TF. Then take a button B. Then take flow pane FP. Then go for creation of VBox reference VBox V. Then scene. So this is the way we took the different controls required for our application. Let us define the init method, public void init, create a label, L is equal to new label. Let us take the search engine name as Paro search engine. Then take the text field at TF is equal to new text field, create the text field. We'll take the empty text field. Then create a button B is equal to new button. Take the button name as search. Then create a result label, res is equal to new label. Then create a VBox, V is equal to new VBox. Then set spacing on each control added to JavaFX scene. Set spacing of 30. So vertically 30 pixels are maintained from one component to another component. Set the alignment for VBox by calling set alignment method. Set alignment of POS dot center. Then set the preferred column count for text field by calling set preferred column count. Then set the prompt message for text field. Set prompt text. So set the prompt message as ask me. Then add the all components to observable list of VBox v dot get children. Add all label. Then text field, then button, next result. So first L label is added, that is Paro search engine message is displayed, then text field is displayed, then button is displayed, then result label is displayed in the vertical order through VBox layout. Now define a start method, stays, string, throws, exception, so now we define the event handling for text field as well as for the button. When text field is selected, when while entering data in the text field, after pressing enter key, automatically text field event is generated. For that, we call the event registration for text field. tf.setAnAction will handle event handling with lambda expressions, res dot set text, search. We display the search string from text field, search string. We retrieve the input message from the text field by calling getText method from the text field object. Next, close the lambda expression, close the setAnAction method. In the same way, define the event handling for the button also. Same way, we take the button object B, setAnAction, then remaining is same. So when enter key pressed in the text field, the search string is displayed. When button is pressed, when confirm but search button is pressed, the search string is displayed. Now we would like to go for creation of the scene object. Scene fp comma 500 comma 500. Scene object is created. Next, set the title for scene my search engine. So next, set the scene for stage object, set scene of s, then call the show method. Next, close the start method and then close the class. So this is the way we define the start method and init method. Of course, by optional, we'll define the main method also. Public static void main string args, then call the launch method, launching of JavaFX application. Then we'll save the program and we'll check errors. Let us compile the program. JavaC text field fx demo.java. First we'll check for errors. Okay, one error we got here itself. Instead of plus symbol we placed the comma for appending. plus symbol is used. So program is successfully compiled. Now we'll run the program. First we check whether how the controls are displayed on the screen. We got error. We got runtime error. We rectify that runtime error. At line number 37. Line number 37 we got error. Yes. We took from the previous program experience, we took the flow pane. Actually, in this program, we created a VBox for arranging the components. Instead of FP, we'll take the VBox, V object. So again, we'll compile the program. We'll run the program. Yes, the program is successfully compiled. Okay, Paro search engine. This is a big text field displayed for us. I would like to enter James or James Gosling. Is Maharshi for Java programming. I press enter key. The resultant text message displayed on the result label like this. Search string Sir James Gosling is Maharshi for Java programming, and Java is secure internet programming language. So this is the way I changed the text message. Now I will perform event handling with pressing search button. Earlier by pressing enter key in the text field, event is performed. Now by clicking search button, we perform the event handling S. So search string is Sir James Gosling is Maharshi for Java programming, and Java is secure internet programming language. So this is the way we demonstrated the text field control, text field JavaFX control, and in the next program we will take one hands-on demonstration on creation of arithmetic operations calculator. There we will use the different JavaFX controls like text fields, buttons, and all that components are arranged with grid pane. Thank you for watching this video.